Hi, this is Gabriel from the Alan Hall Group, and we are here in InfoComm 25 to present you the latest Questra update that we have here. In this case, we have the version 1.3.13, and one of the main highlights is that we have the new logic module, where we can do all this third-party control integration to control external devices. To complete all this offering in Questra, we have added new products with a new series called Tiva. And in the Tiva series, we have added already these two new products. For example, we have this small device here. This is our SGP42. It's an Ethernet to GPIO and relay and serial port converter. And this is super useful to control, for example, external lights or to control devices via serial port or any presence detector or buttons. On the other hand, here on the left, you have our new switcher rAVe41. This is an 8K switcher with TCP/IP remote control. So that means that with these two devices, in the end we can create nice touch user panels here, like the one you see. And with only one button, for example, I turn on the lights and we are controlling the room lights. We are also controlling our Cameo lights as well. And we could also switch to a different video source or control a projector to turn it on. So all within a very simple software, but very flexible and powerful. If you want to check any other information about this, just check on ldsystems.com. This is the brand that we have here now, and you can find all the info about the new Tiva series. Thank you very much.